It's Halloween at Taffy's, all the guests have arrived. Everyone's dying to meet you, so won't you spend the night? Join us. Welcome our new friend. Come on, let's begin. There's no time to waste. It is me, Taffy. I hope you're laughing. Let's cut to the chase. Sounds are coming from the telephone on this holiday. It's Halloween at Taffy's, all the guests have arrived. Everyone's dying to meet you, so please try not to cry. Join us. First comes Turtle, the fetus toilet, he has his own army. Then there's Dodo Lord, Darth's commander, his strength is his army. Whatever you do, please remember to not pester Toxic. So don't mess with him, stay away from him, otherwise you will be shot. Twix may seem cute, but she'll break you into like a KitKat bar. Oh, look, another portal. That means Llama's here. He'll destroy you with your own bones. Stay with Cat instead. He's got suits for you. Come to Alex's Mega Arcade. If you're not careful, then the suits will pierce right through your skin. It's Halloween at Taffy's. All the guests have arrived. Everyone's dying to meet you, so won't you have a fright? Join us, join us, join us, join us. Halloween at Taffy's. Join us, join us, join us, join us. Halloween at Taffy's. From the Pizzaplex to the boat deck, Light Trap's here tonight. Watch his gameplay, and you will die once again with a fright. Now's your last chance for your final glance with Lazamer now. Shocking reactions drag you away further into the code. Astro wants a bite from your frontal lobe, so you best play smart. Bono has a balloon, he'll suffocate you, so you should just start. You attempt to escape, but soon find out that it is no use. Cause Litchi just returned from war, and now he's coming for your soul. Lander has a van full of candy, go in and get your treats. Unom thought of you and got you an old demented costume. It could come in handy, now isn't he so sweet? Lemon will make you cry with a watery touch, stay away from the sour. Flix wants to torment you. My, look at the hour. Why, it's 3 a.m. See them over there, D&T will fool your mind which plushies are whose. It's Halloween at Taffy's, all the guests have arrived. Everyone's feeling friendly tonight, so please try not to die. Join us, join us, join us, join us, Halloween at Taffy's. Join us, join us, join us, join us, Halloween at Taffy's. New friends always hop away on our favorite field day. All we want to do is play. Won't you be the one to stay? Join us, join us.
Halloween at Taffy's. Halloween at Taffy's. Halloween at Taffy's. So the guests have arrived.